Hi, welcome to my channel, and I wanted to kind of share with you what I've been up to. I'm doing a project where I'm trying to upgrade my CNC to make it bigger. This is my old one, and this is the new one. So I'm trying to make this at least 42 by 42 inches, and I'm gonna post a video here following this. You'll see the process of just building the base. Not a big deal. It's a very simple design, but I wanted to put it on there. Also, I've been telling some of the subscribers that I was going to do a video here on how to build a CNC. And this is huge, actually. There's so many videos on how to build a CNC. It's honestly really not that difficult. I know that probably sounds easy for me to say, but if you look online, there's really not a lot to it. But I want to, if you're wanting to do that, I want to talk you through it. I wanted to do it years ago, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to do it. I just took it step by step, got all my information basically from YouTube and asking questions. But so this is the one I had built 4 or 5 years ago. It's only about 30 by 20-ish inches long, our work area. This is going to be, like I said, maybe 43 by 43 inches, so I could do really anything with guitars on it. So that's my plan. I'm going to try to be as detailed as I can. I'm going to post as much of the details of all the parts and everything. I'll leave links on them. You know, I do get a little bit from the links, not much, but enough to support the channel a little bit. That would be a blessing to me. But so I will try to do as good of a detail. Like I said, and if there's any questions, feel free to leave comments. And you know, like I said, and if you haven't subscribed, join on in and build this if you want. The total cost of it will probably be about $1,200 for that's counting this sturdy table that I built. It's actually really nice, and that includes the rollers I have. You probably can't see it with the way I have this all set up, but it's I really actually like it. If I just needed a work table, I'd build this. It cost me about $70 in wood to build this, and it's not counting the 4x8 sheets of plywood, but as far as just 2x4s, it's about $70 in 2x4s, and really simple design and some screws, and that's about it. So anyway, here is how that build went. Thanks for watching. Okay, so what I have going on here is I'll show you what I did here. In order to make sure that I have these lined up, I just cut a piece 44.5 to where it sits dead center here. Not dead center, but the exact length there. Exact length all the way across. So I know that those are the same. And then what I got to do to make sure that it's square, I ran this over here. I mean, that's the same over there. So that's the way I'm doing it. Whether it's the right way, that's the way I'm doing it. And I believe it'll be good. I could also measure from here to here, from here to here, but there's really not a good place to stop on that. And I can't really see it. It should be 65. And 65. Yep. So perfect. And that's how I got that. And so what I'm gonna do, I have a piece cut to go in there. And actually, what I did is raise these up by 3/4 inch piece of plywood so that I can slide in my MDF. And that's what I'm gonna do now, is grab the MDF from over here. And it's cut pretty tight, so we'll see. Okay, so I slid it in. Had to slide it in sideways because it's so tight. But anyway, it's in.